Hello and welcome to Friday Finance. In this video I will show you how to open a business account. To open a business account, make sure you have a personal identification document, such as a passport or national ID. If you are not the ultimate beneficial owner of the company, a person that owns at least 25% of the company, make sure to also have a power of attorney document. To start the onboarding process, click on the Open Friday Finance Account button located either on this tab or here. You will be asked to provide some information about your business in the onboarding form. In the first step, you will be asked to fill in your email and legal information. Next, you will need to briefly explain your business and provide your estimated monthly earnings. Once you have filled this out, you will then need to indicate who the ultimate beneficial owner of the company is. If you are not the legal representative, please also click on Other. Click on Next, and all that's left to do is to complete a quick ID verification to successfully open your Friday Finance business account. And that's it, you're done. But please keep in mind that it might take our banking partner a few hours to verify your account.